Hello? Oh, give me a second. I'm gonna switch my monitor. I made it low resolution because the shader is tough to render. Alright, now I have to select the screen. There we go. Fluffy little cloud ball. Let's see what I did yesterday. Do it again. So I go to strafe, Roblox, bot, player, and then no web demo, and then Python HTTP server, and I have discovered that it works with WebGL. I forgot. This is too slow. So, why don't I fix the resolution first? That's the easiest thing to start with. Huh. I want to like change the API completely, but you know what? My eyes are bad. Let's make this huge. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so I don't have a fallible time convert. Is there? There isn't really errors as values in JavaScript, is there? You just throw. I wonder if you can unwrap, and it'll be like catch, and then throw a JavaScript error. That would be kind of magical. Okay. Right. So I wanted to like try to move all this code into the native player. This is goofy. Okay, yeah. First resize. Uh, I think it's literally. Yeah. Hello? Oh, right. It doesn't compile. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . . . . 。 . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . 。 . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . Uh, hey, yo. I don't have glam. Oh. Nor. Alright. How about into? Okay. We don't need type imports. Send surface. That's goofy. I gotta change this library. Okay. So then, where's that resize code? I swear there was resize code. WebG samples. This is actually what they do. That's crazy. What was that other one? Canvas drawing. Where's the JavaScript? Oh my god. Oh. I remember there. Oh. Oh, no, is that it? No. I deleted it. Ah, yeah, I deleted it. I should be able to recover it by running the AI. Oh. How do you do? Make this JavaScript run. Make it run. Situation. Oh. Is that real? Observer resize observer scroll width height document body. Okay. This song is good, but it's a remix of the good song. Is this gonna block here? No, right? It just like requests it to schedule it. It doesn't block. Um, yeah. What's up? Number. The. Uh-oh. I just want to listen to the real song. Mm. So, graphics, huh? Uh, native. No, 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 no. WASM module. Huh. Yeah. Go for it. Okay. So then it didn't resize. Do we get like? Oh, that's not good. We got nothing in the console. Jesus. Um. Oh my god. Hmm. Well, let's try print. Um. Resize. Situation. Semicolon. Do you need semicolons in JavaScript? I actually don't know. Yeah, buddy. Okay. Try it again. It did not print. That did not print. Uh. Window. Integer. Oh, is it? It's console.log. All right, I'm just dummy. Okay. Why is it like laggy as well? It. Huh? Huh? Uh, Do I need to restart the server? Okay, it was just not working. Okay. Okay, we forgot. It started. Okay, so I had to shift F5. That's irritating. Okay, so now it broke. Yeah. Recursive use of an object. Oh. We can't use that. Whoops. Let's try it again. Browser caching messing me up. Oh! Okay, that is definitely a different size. Is it the right size? I don't know. It doesn't look like it. It looks like the wrong size. But, hey. You know, I probably would have liked to see that size. Show me. Show me. Jeez, why is it like more smooth? 600 by 600. Is that part of the HTML that I am not? Ah. 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 Uh. Let's do. Jeez. Background. How about color scheme light dark? Interesting. All right. Is this good? Can I whoop? Ah! Okay. And there is a scroll bar, and I want there to be not a scroll bar. Wide B-hop. It looks bad. Like, my screen is 240 hertz, and this is not 240 hertz. Oh. See, the song is like meh. The original song is so good. We could be the perfect combination. But I don't think it's on this playlist. Anti-soul. Where is the music getter? So here's the original song. It's only 6 minutes. Every time I hear the remixed one in the playlist, I want to hear the original. Okay, so this is like doing something. It's cool how it covers a lot of code. The YouTube volume bar is freaking useless. They have, it's probably like x squared or something. It needs to be logarithmic. All right. Let's go AI here. This minimal HTML ends up with a scroll bar. How do I remove the scroll bar? Hello. Go AI. Running on my computer. Go AI. Overflow hidden. We take those. I do not know. This is so loud. And it's like, this is like the same as my music player on half volume. It has such better volume control. Like how? Okay, it's fine. I don't use YouTube to play music usually. Okay, so this is body. What did I copy from AI? HTML comma body. What the heck? Oh my god. Is that gonna work? So there's a little scroll bar on the right, and if I shift refresh, hey, way, yay AI. Okay. I'll just add it to the comment. It's like whatever. Ooh, okay. Neat. Neato. I kind of want to. Right. I wonder if I can do this. What is this thing? R. Response. Response. Alright, I don't like this variable name. I'm just gonna change it. File. Map. File. Willing to play a game of Scream Stream. That would be a first. Honestly, I'm a little bit down because of how unique that request is. No one asks me to play Scream Stream. No one even knows that I made Scream Stream. Oh no, it's too long? Oh, well the whole point... Okay, what if it's like shorter file name? Yeah, okay. Um, Qbot, I guess. And I can do await Qbot dot array buffer. Boom. Right? Easy. And then sniff them. And then await sniff them dot array buffer. No, one character more. Love the game. Genuinely confusing to me how the camera was made. So interestingly, I'm like the perfect guy to do this. So you see this. This is rather complicated, but this is based on my Roblox B-Hop game, and it's a replay of someone playing my Roblox B-Hop game. And that's like exactly what Scream Stream is based off of, right? Is replaying the monsters and stuff. Song is over. Done it. The B and the M. We have the BM. Coding for 5 years and it confuses me. Why don't we look at the code? Because I don't mind. So first of all, let's see how much code there is in the game. So according to this, there is 12,000 lines of code. That's quite a lot. TV, I believe. Yeah. So don't expect anything that's pretty. Oh, this is not it. This is the server side of the TV. Client side. So how it works is there's an enum, this recording instruction enum. Let's look at that. Recording instruction enum. And that like tells you what like event happened. I call it an instruction because it's like it's instructing the game to change. Like, play this animation, set the music. And then I just kind of like started making just random stuff as well. It's not like clean. It's not clean, I would say. So yeah, so we've got the local variables. Right. Balloons. There's all sorts of functions for individual mobs. There's hard coding like what is inside of the individual mobs. Yeah. And then, so this is my script loading system. It runs every script in this list, and you're not allowed to wait in the main body of the function. So task.wait, it will error and say, don't do that. So you have to the idea is that all the scripts load right away, and they're all ready to like interlink, and then you do the actual running of the game by returning a function from the module. So this is run after all other modules are loaded. So loud. It's actually pretty simple. Client. So this is the loader. I very purposefully made it very small. So I have this tuning value that will print a warning if it thinks it took a long time to load, and that is 10 milliseconds is slow to me. So it's a script with a bunch of module scripts inside it. For each script, spawn a new task of like requiring the module. And it times when it begins and ends and sees if it was slow. And then if this thread has status dead, that means you waited. And it says waiting is not allowed. And that's an error, right? So then requiring the module, remember it returns a function. It puts the functions in a big list, table.insert. And then after everything is loaded, it spawns them. Straightforward, small script, load all the stuff. Very good game design. So back to this. So now we can finally wait, right? So we're waiting for a bunch of stuff here to start existing after all the code is ready, and we don't have like millions of race conditions where things are loading in peculiar orders as different things networking happens. So here's how it makes a comment. This is all client side. So this is, I think I can make it so there's multiple TVs, but of course there's only one. Oh. Right. It's like displaying a clone, I think. I don't remember. Viewport frame. What is that? We're using a viewport frame? Really? Camera. What is this? Stream. Oh. Wait, did the TV? I forget. I think it might have used to like just play on the TV. And you just don't know that because it shows you in first person. Okay, so we're not even into the playback yet. So here's the function that gets called when you press play, and it passes in a recording. Good Lord. The recording, I just kind of like copped out and used Roblox objects. So I think it's a folder, and then there's like a bunch of keyframes in it. I was going to try to make it an animation, but then Roblox blocked me from doing that because of whatever arbitrary limitation they introduced. Classic Roblox. So I just kept it like that because it was already like that. But usually I would make my own serialization format with like a data track, and then I would like read the data. But this is just like, it's just a bunch of instances spammed onto the server, and it just like implicitly assumes that they're replicated to the client. Okay, so you've pressed the play button. It's doing all this. All right. Okay, so there's a segment of the recording. Segment number. Right. What's a segment? How long ago did I write this code? A year ago. Fix error. Right. Who wrote this code? Uh-huh. A workspace subject map. I think that's like the actors within the playback. It's a quick access so that you can go like this guy. Oh yeah, it's this part. What the hell? Recording.players. That should be a folder. Yeah, it's a folder. Yeah. Oh, the player has to be in the game. That's awkward. Oh, am I cloning the character? Oh. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, okay, yeah. Grab that costume. Uh-huh. Okay, so I make a clone of the character, then create this character clone. Okay. This is still just like setting things up. We're not playing back anything yet. And then do the same thing for monsters. So I'm making like templates of the characters, templates of the monsters, because we're going to like move these things around. Tool. Wow. Advanced. Monster state. So that I think that's like playing animations and stuff. Good grief. Ooh. I did not care when I was writing this. This is just the biggest mess. So the balloons are all like hard coded. Nice. The biggest code I've seen on one script. It's only 400 lines. Ugh. What is that? I don't know what that function is. Load segment state. What is a segment? Ah, I know what a segment is. Okay, so like when you record, you can like start recording and stop recording. And it like stitches the segments together. So that's what a segment is. Okay. And maybe the lighting changed between segments, right? Because maybe you recorded up top and then you went down below. So it has to like write it all down as it happens and then replay it when it's playing it back. So there's a lot of like little things to handle. More initialization. We have yet to start playing. So here's the function to stop playing. This looks like internal state for playback. Views spring. Believe it or not, the views is a spring. So this is all the crap that has to happen to reset the like lighting and everything. All the UIs. Good gravy. Yeah, you clean up all of the templates, clones of the players and monsters that you made. Right. So the players are removed, so you don't see two copies of yourself in the house as you're watching the video if you like recorded it inside the house. Okay, finally. This every render step. So this is like run service dot render step. Every single render step, it calls this function. So this is like playing. Whew. Okay, so what is the current time? Time elapsed since the beginning of the playback. So while the time elapsed is past the frame time. So it like advances until it catches up with the frame time, and the frame time goes to like one frame in the future, and then it catches up. But it's also possible to jump ahead multiple frames if you're like lagging. So imagine the recording was at 60 frames per second and the playback is 20 frames per second. So there'd be 3 frames and you would only render once. So it has to do this loop 3 times. It has to do the first frame, second frame, third frame to like catch up to real time. So however much time has passed, it has to catch up frames. Okay, some crap. And now we begin. So last frame, next frame, last frame, next frame. This is setting up for interpolation. If you have high FPS and it recorded at low FPS, then you want to like have interpolation between the motion of the frames instead of being like choppy. This looks easy, but not easy at the same time. Yeah, there's just a lot of little things to take care of. Like there's just no magic. I don't have some like nice system that handles everything. It's just like for each instruction, for each marker on this frame, if it's stop all animations, it stops all animations. If it's play animation, it plays an animation. If it's stop a specific animation, it stops that animation. If it's supposed to play a sound, it makes a sound. If it's supposed to stop all sounds, it stops all sounds. If it's supposed to equip a tool, it just like, is it this? All right, do that. 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 And there's an other side of this code, the actual recording of the stuff that's happening, and then the playback right here. And it's all a big mess. Ugh. Oh yeah, the scoring. So it'll like score how good your recording is as it plays. And then this is like if there is no segment, or if there is no next keyframe, so like it's adding one to the frame number within that segment. If there's no next frame, we've reached the end of the segment and we have to jump to the next segment. And maintain some sort of continuity with like views and stuff. Keyframe children. What is that? What is that? Oh, bulk move. Huh. Cool. So here's where it moves the camera. So there's the C frame from the last frame, C frame from the next frame, and then it just interpolates what is the current time as a fraction between 0 and 1 of the last frame time and the next frame time. So it goes 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1. Lerp, 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 lerp. Yeah, and that's it. That's it. Wow. Do what I asked earlier? Okay, I did say yes. Where is the game? There it is. Oh, did it just crash? Damn. No updates. Roblox crashes with Discord open. Mm, it's just crashing. That's interesting because it server budget went down. Who knows? Does bhop work? No, it's just crashing. Well, I can't fix that. This is why I am trying to move away from the Roblox platform. Reset Roblox. I've never had this problem before. It's a brand new issue. So it's just some update that they did that broke everything. And they're going to have to fix it. Well, Discord is not wanting to start now. Okay, so what was I doing? Do I want big scale? Oh, did I? Okay, let's do this. And then remove the console log. Okay, refresh, unable to connect, very true. Okay, no scroll bar, everything's good. Can I like, yeah, okay, it resizes just fine. Very cool. How much GPU does it use? Oh, you know what? I think I know why Discord isn't starting. It's because I have AI everywhere in my GPUs. Alright. Is Discord just kind of stuck? Yeah, it's very stuck. Kill. There we go. There we go. So much of that open. So much AI. Are you talking about terminals or like processes? This is like Task Manager. Actually, there's a better one. Yeah, this is everything running on the computer. Jesus. It's actually way less than Windows. Windows will have like 1,000 processes running. This is like 1 or 200 or something. Actually, it says, is it like 400? Tasks, 135. Wow. Why is it stuttering? The mouse doesn't stutter. Is that WebGL? I can only run a few things without one of the things. Yeah, that would be like RAM issue. I've got 48 gigabytes of RAM. It should be 64, but one of my memory slots is broken. And that's great. I love having lots of RAM. I can have lots of stuff open. I also have 2 GPUs. Each of them has 12 gigabytes of VRAM. And so I can load up AI and run it on the GPUs. Look at the memory usage. And it's full. And then if I run the AI, hello AI, what is generate a Shakespearean passage. All right, and then we can look at it. Go, GPUs, go. Utilization, yes, go. And it's done. Pretty cool. I'm going to turn it off for now. Oh, what light through yonder window breaks. Okay. So, got that. So now it resizes. I want to keep this. I want to have like 2 interfaces. One as just simple as possible. Just like 0 thoughts, play the bot. And then one would be a more complicated interface where you can like inspect the playback as it's happening and like know which keys are pressed and like play sounds. Do you know about the bug where you can phase into windows? No. What to do? Yes, I want to change this to be more of a API. Because yeah, instructions mean you have to send all dependencies even if... Oh, apparently resize does need it. This is a nice song. Right. I wanted to start with Surface. I was going to try and move setup. Yeah. And make it a public interface. The standalone application should still work, right? Yeah, so this is no web browser. It's just like a exe. Same thing, except not running in a web browser. Okay, so I want to move the WGPU setup into the library because I think that would be a good idea. Because it's like partially duplicated code. Actually, maybe it belongs in graphics itself. How would I do that? Trying to get the 2 million badge. Does the game crash and that's why you can't get it? Or do you just not make it? Okay. Did you know that filming someone using an emote gives you points? Gives you views. So I want to like make this make more sense. How do I make a natural flow without requiring this? Because this only needs the instance, but like the function dependency chain is non-obvious. I suppose that doesn't really matter. I can just untangle it. Okay, what about this thing? Okay, so this returns the setup context. Okay. Yeah. Show you some of the bugs. To be honest, I'm not terribly interested in working on Stream. So in this case, the surface is already created. Can that be true? Right. And the other one, it creates the window. Would I use a trait bound? I don't know how to make this into a nice little API. I think that the code should move into the graphics module. 3 of everything on my camera. Yeah, I've seen that reported before. Only 2, but the code there is heavily debounced. I have no idea how that could possibly happen. I would need like a guaranteed way to reproduce the issue. What if I use modules and call it like step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4? Configure surface. Do you think they should hire devs? Who is they? Is that Roblox? Oh, Stream. No, that would be bad. You saw the code. It takes a long time for someone to like be brought up to speed about what's in the code base. And like, I don't know, I'm not proud of the code. It just barely works, and that's good enough. Higher chance of people leaking the game. In this case, I could give access to the CI. So I have this private repository that I use to make code changes, and it's only the code. And it like has all this stuff. Workspace ball script. Wow, it's the ball script. Let's go. Oh goodness. Why does it say pub? You can't have private fields in an enum. BC5, BC6, BC7. Yuv. There's so many GPU texture formats. ETC. Why does it say EAC when it's ETC? Want to make a game like Stream? No, not really. My type of game is like this. Whoa, 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 whoa. What is up with this? What was that about? Oh, was that VRAM out? No. Why is it lagging? Hey, yo. Oh, the stream is mega lagging. What has happened? Is it like running on the wrong GPU or something? No. Huh. I did update stuff. Is it the first time? Let me see. Oh, look. So 19 hours ago. I'll have to see. Yeah, what is up? I wonder if it's all of the AI stuff like ruined something. The encoding gets stuck at 100%. If I just move the mouse. Jeez. Damn, it got bad. Yeah, it's just not working very well right now for some reason. That's unfortunate. I'll have to debug that. Okay. So what is this used for? Enumerate adapters. Like, if I do it like this, like, how is it any different from just calling the functions directly? Is this reference? Yeah, it is. Starting to think something else crashes Roblox? Me too. Do the devs get all the badges in the game without having to do much? I don't really remember. Could be. Where does it create this? Backends. I see. That it can just do that implicitly. It doesn't need to be there. stuff you're running crashing Roblox. No, it wouldn't be like other applications that are running. It would be the system that I'm running. The stuff that Roblox has to run on top of that's causing issues. Hasn't been a problem thus far, but clearly there is a problem now. The stream is really not hot. It keeps dropping frames. I wonder if I can just do this and then it'll be okay or something. No, it is not okay. It is very not okay. Task manager. I'm gonna try and do some work. It is kind of hard to ignore the stream issues. I want to get rid of this like type state builder thing because it's not good. All right, let's try this. We'll go just straight up. Return this surface instance. So this will be like module step 2 public function like it's literally just the function. I don't know, but like I want the labeling. Okay, instance is a WGPU instance. Right, it doesn't compile. Oh, that's so annoying. I don't know how to enable this. The config option. It says CFG web. Can I guess I could just put that here and then that would like silence it. Unexpected CFG name web. Build RS. Wait, is that the problem? No. Screen Sweep is the only version of content warning. Well, Lethal Company has a lot. We did have a competitor when we were making it, but they got like copyright strike. So this is a goddamn surface. I'll call the lifetime the name, the lifetime the same. WGPU surface lifetime. Do I just copy it fully? I think I have to. WGPU. And then so create instance just straight up returns the WGPU instance. Damn, this sucks. I might just downgrade. Okay, so now go away, and then this is step 2. Oh, step 3. Right. So is this like, yeah. Oops, that's Lua. Okay, we good? That's a module. Pub async function pick adapter. So then the old code had this, and definitely we need all of the arguments. But oh, we don't need the backends. That's just made from scratch right there. We do need the instance. Reference to surface will probably do. Yeah. And I believe that's chillin'. It returns adapter. Adapter is what? Oh my god, it's a super. What is up? Okay, instance. There we go. WGPU adapter. Okay, so we just need these arguments. God, it's so jumpy. Mod step 4. Pub request device. I think the adapter should go first. And then this has no lifetime. So what is this actually doing? Request device. Device and queue. Adapter. Surely I can use a reference. And then this is like that. We good? So then this is super. And then maybe I mean I just start with a tuple WGPU device, WGPU adapter, Q. Oh shoot. Q. Okay. Oh, surface is unused. Wait, what? It shouldn't be unused. Oh, it was just passed through before. That's right. That's why I was doing this in the first place, is because it was all whack. Okay, so then we grab this stuff. Man. Put it here. And then this is a module step 5. Public function. Configure surface. Yeah, I don't think anything needs to happen here. So So self is not real. Device adapter config surface. Is this mutable? I think surface should go near the bottom. And all of these are references. And then it returns surface configuration. Goodness gravy. So WGPU. 0 generic arguments. Okay, bud. Q is unused. That's crazy. Okay. So now we got that. And then set up context. Do we need... Yeah, I think this is how it goes into the library. Hello. Get others to play with us. I'm just trying to work right now. Yes, this is the window lifetime. I'm gonna rename this just context. Jeez. Yeah, that's gonna be tough. Surface. I think the surface stays separate, and it's just the instance. Wait a minute. Does the instance get dropped? Oh, it very much does. Which step did it get dropped on? Partial to. Okay, it just got dropped. It's probably fine. So I guess it okay. So it should be like this, and then not public. Okay, why don't instead of context, how about it's device. I need a better. It's kind of like the GPU. Render context. No way. The idea being that you might be able to reuse a render context. Oh boy. Gosh, the stream is just dying. Something about... I wonder if it's just... if I can just like rebuild this on an earlier version. Okay, so like surely Monday, Tuesday, surely it's like here. Oh crap. I guess that's okay. I'll just like make it and it'll work. Okay, so instance equals step 1, create instance, and then something else is step 2, create surface. Instance canvas. Yes. So then, indeed. So then I think I think this is literally just this. And then here I can say target equals, and then target, and then I can CFG web this line to make it stop killing me. That's annoying. Is that like WGPU build RS? Yes. Oh. CFG aliases. Okay. Target arch. Okay. How do I do that? Okay, that was this target. Can I just say like target arch? Okay, hello. Refactor setup. Work in progress. Rebase this. Go here. Target arch. Is that real? What is over here? Feature. Yeah, okay. Can I get real IDE? No variant. Like, it just, I'm crying. Let's see if I can get CFG web. Jesus. No turning back. Sister Sledge. Lost in music. Oh, this is gonna break it, isn't it? Why does it stutter? All right, I'm gonna put my coffee away, and then I'm gonna try restarting the stream and see if it fixes. I will be back maybe in a minute if it goes well. Let's see. Camera. Indeed. Let's try off and on again. Buh. Okay, let's try unplug, plug back in, off, on again. Yay! Camera. Where? Okay, my sound is broken. This is headphones. Okay, where is the song we were listening to? Should be Sister Sledge. There it is. Okay, I think it's working. It seems not bad. I'm getting cold. I'm gonna put on bathrobe. Is that backwards? No, surely not. Ugh. Warmth device. Okay, so that didn't work. It still has this red underline. All right, let's try AI. Go, AI. Does this... It's nice and smooth. It's not stuttering. The stream isn't dropping frames. Nice. Hello. There we go. WGPU has this CFG web thing, and it puts a red underline in my IDE. How do I make it stop doing that? Uh-huh. All right, go for it. Tell me how to make it stop. Stop doing that. Only compiled when web flag is set. Mm-hmm. 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 I don't wanna. Like, This has nothing to do with the IDE. Of course, it builds fine with that command. I just want to make the red underline go away by configuring the Rust analyzer or whatnot. Do not the red underline. Help. Oh, you can just do that? Per workspace. True. Let's try this. It says per workspace. That's awful. Do we like? No. What about like this? What about like this? Is the AI not hallucinating? Alright, how about we relaunch and get it from scratch? Nope, didn't work. Oh my god, how infuriating. Nope. Can I Control Z here? No, I cannot. Unlucky. Okay. Well, let's go back to this and keep working on it. I'll just have to deal with this fact. Oh. Oh. Alright, what's up? So we got those steps, canvas. Yeah. Ugh. So the only place that the surface is used here is to check if the adapter is supported. Which kind of makes sense when it's like the whole window. Yar. This sucks. This sucks. Okay, so what does the other code look like here? Native player setup. This code has create window. So I'm doing... Okay, so these are independent. All right. So I really could just blast this from the outside. Oh, bubby. So when we... um... Okay, yeah, no. I have a workspace module, so that I can do this. Wait, what happened to the code? Oh, this is different code. Okay. This is just so irritating. It just blocks so much build stuff. I guess I could, you know what I can do is I can make a little adapter guy. So it actually just needs to pass this trait bound through the whole way. Surface target surface. Create surface instance. Create surface instance. Instance create surface. Creates a new surface. Why does it have to go first? Why does each surface need its own freaky deaky stuff? The only reason to do this is to check if the surface is supported. We can also option this. Example. Omega lol. Okay. And go like this. Oh, actually, we can do it right here. And then why don't we do that here? Like we're oh self. Weird champ. So surface. Right? Yeah. Request device, adapter, device, queue, and then step 5, configure surface, adapter, device, queue. Uh-oh. Surface. And then this is config, and then we do yeah. Lifetime static. Right. I was thinking of a little doohickey that does it. And then we grab this guy. Is that a real target? Elided lifetime. Static. There you go. What's up? Expected semicolon. Oh. Okay. Oh. Oh. Just pop it right there? No. Okay. Bro. How infuriatingly horrible. Alright, so now we go doohickey, and that's it. Okay. All of the garbage goes right here. To surface. Something like that. Okay. So now I have this config. Can't I just grab it again? Right, I wanted to put this in there as well. Why would it not be in there? What is that? Okay. Oh, Mm-hmm. Um. Mm-hmm. Goes. I don't know. This has a lifetime. It's static. I see. Um. Yeah. Surface config. So get it working again. Render context. And then not real surface. Do GPU surface static config WGPU configuration situation, and then we grab these guys. I guess it's these guys. Like that. And then setup dot context device. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Okay, problem. It's not pub. Yeah, I don't know. Like, it's just kind of barely better than just straight tuple. So, whatever. We'll just go with the tuple until things improve. Device queue. Device queue. Device queue. Oh. Uh-huh. Not real. Not real. Not real. Not real. Okay, so that should be exactly the same but completely different. Oh, it's plus lines of code. God damn it. Okay, it's overall minus. Refactor setup. The whole point is to like make it smaller, but still have it be obvious the like steps involved. It's tricky. Does Does JavaScript not have tuples? What? Jeez. Hmm. Well, I gotta just shove it together. Keep going. Right, I wanted to put it straight into the lib. That's the right place, because, like, the graphics knows what graphics features it needs. I guess that's the API. Create window is an implementation detail, but the rest of the stuff is not. So let me try that. Okay, yeah. What are you doing? So that looks nice and minimal. Although yeah. So private function. How do I access this? Right. This is supposed to be moved into lib to start with. And then now I import from the lib. Yeah, never mind. I'm gonna prefix all of these. So these steps are like the interface for how you set up graphics. So move setup into lib. Okay. And then I should be able to reuse this up. and have no code here except for create window. So it should look like exactly like this. And then Libby. Async function. You know it. And then no. Where's the old create window? There it is. All right. So make it. Window I should better go like ooh. And then size, inner size. Size dot width, size dot height. Okay, so config, surface, device queue, config, like the whole 9 yards. Where's the guy? Give me that. Everybody. And then ah. Surface, config, device, queue, config. Okay. Setup. I just shared so much code. Oh, okay. Yes, sir. Oh, now we have an async function. Oops. So now we need pollster block on. Right on, bro. Dude. Right. Share code with lib setup. Minus 167. Okay, I think I can go even harder and move setup into graphics itself. Indeed. Does this guy have the graphics? It does. This is exciting. I think Strafe Client is getting better because I made this. Okay, so this setup. Oh, I did. It's a here, right? Setup. Okay. 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 I think it's doable. Okay, so we go to the engine, graphics, source, and add a new file. Or no, I just need to move the file. To graphics, QRS. And wait. This is crate, right? Okay. So now it's like that, huh? So now I want to right there. It should be just exactly this code. Maybe even this code as well. Yeah. Uh-oh. No, sir. I can't believe this is working. Okay, so now here to here. Zoop. And async. And whoosh. Delete. And then use graphics setup. Holy. Right. I gotta mod it to look like that one. Why does it say it's private? Oh, okay. Well, what was the code before? Worker. Okay, bud. Whatever you want. So then here, in a worker, we just copy the from the and then literally just delete set of context and everything lives. Everything is smaller, everything is better. Woo! Okay, that's strafe client. Would you look at that? All right, so now I need to use Polster here. And we done. I don't really see a need to... Oh, I guess I can test it like this. Graphics, path equals dot strafe project engine graphics. Okay, what do you want? Is that just a... I don't know why I was doing that, but everything looks good to me. So I might want to like comment on this. If the mesh size is 0, we can't auto scale it. Throw it out. Okay. Refactor setup. It's minus even within the strafe client. So it's less code and everybody shares the code. Amazing. Okay. So then graphics increments a version as well. What happened? Strafe project cargo publish graphics. Yay! And then the bot player. Update graphics. It should just all work. Move setup into strafesnet graphics. Minus 118. Yeah. We got that minus lines of code. Roblox bot player. Did the code lines go down? It did. Well, no, it didn't. But it did. Okay. So now we share lots of code. Okay, so then WASM module, WASM pack, run that track. Web demo, run the Python server. Yes, sir. And then we go to the strafe player, refresh the page. It should just work exactly the same. All right, all right, all right. Very good. So that was basically all my ideas. Strafe client itself got better. Isn't that lovely? And I didn't try to do it all at once. I did it very piecemeal, just within the thing I was working on, and then within the higher level, and then within the higher level, and then within the higher level. I didn't try to like jump the gun. Yay! Hiya! Yeah. This is the raw graphics setup steps. Instead of being type state, it's like proper. It should be unreachable. I am pleased. 9:30. Hmm. Oh, I wonder if Roblox works. Yeah, okay, so it was my problem. But the stream still does lag, unfortunately. Wait a second. There's no point in having this be a function. It is literally this. How does this look if I do this? You can see that they're like in order. This is all that I wanted, is like that you have to do these things. Because otherwise they're just kind of like a big ball of functions, and like, what do I do? Well, this is step 1, this is step 2, this is step 3, this is step 4, this is step 5. The problem Oh, did I test the strafe client? Uh-oh. Should work. Yay. It does work. Nope. Resize took 51 milliseconds. Bro, how is it taking 51 milliseconds to resize the canvas? It's not a canvas. To resize the buffer. It is literally just a straight up GPU buffer. It should just like work great. And it does, but it takes 50 milliseconds, man. On the native player, it takes what? 8 milliseconds? Does this like does this make bad? What is the FPS? What is the... So apparently strafe client causes lag, but native player does not cause lag. Okay, well that code was bothering me. It really just does take like mushing and like getting your hands in there to make it good. Line setup code. Oh my god. Do it again. If it builds, it runs. Yeah. Wow. Didn't think of that until now. Well, I did a classic programmer move where you do a bunch of work and then it's exactly the same. But there is like 200 or 300 lines less code. That's pretty good. I was hoping for this outcome. So that the graphics module is totally agnostic, and then all the implementation details are moved into the user side. Excellent. What I'm hoping for is a way to reuse your like render man with multiple surfaces. So you could be like, I have this map. I'm going to render on this GPU to this surface. So like you would have instance, surface, and then probably this would be one ball of code. And then this is kind of just hanging on to the surface. Like you can just configure the surface itself and grab it. I'm still very pleased. Right. I also wanted to like rename. It's a nice small library. In order to try to get the surface thing, so when you're picking the adapter, it uses the surface to choose. Which adapter based on the surface, but isn't it the other way around? Couldn't you just get the adapter that is currently holding the surface? Because the surface is made, it's made somewhere. So couldn't you just yoink? Oh, good. Like, yeah, you can do rendering on one device and send it to another. Yeah. I just don't know enough graphics programming. I think this is better without curly braces. Smaller, and it's just like a wrap thing. Like it should just already be implemented, but it's not. What, like, what, why? Why not? Buh. Because, like, they have this. surely you can from T where T window handle. Wait. Does that mean it's a conflicting implementation? Let me... honestly, why don't I just go make a WGPU pull request? So where is this thing? Oh, I closed it. Did I close it? Why did I close it? Okay, we're looking at surface target. API surface. Okay, buddy. So just grab this one. Or I guess I don't even need to. Impl from right CFG web. Impl from for and then may as well do that one as well. Come on, bruh. Bruh. Off screen canvas. And then format it and pull request. WGPU pull request. Oh, I got to. Let's see. How do you make comment messages? Okay. Add web sys from impulse to surface target. Yeah. Surface target. That's GG. God damn it. God damn it. God damn it. Alright, I need to fork WGPU, which I believe I already have done. Oh, have I not forked WGPU? Forky, forky. Let's do it, brother. You gotta do it, brother. Is this still going? Thanks for checking. Let's go. Oh, I can do this. Yeah, WGPU, that's right. What up? Do it. New pull request. Yeah. 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 Um. Okay. Well, let's see. Surface target. Okay. So there is none. No. What? The problem is solving? How is it solved? Using surface target canvas in my IDE is annoying and is always underlined in red. Since it's locked behind the CFG web behind CFG web. Introduce from impulse which convert from web sys blah 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 to surface target. Oh, it's still gonna be like that, isn't it? I guess that doesn't actually solve my issue. It just tested. Testing. It should work. Trust me, bro. Let's go with trust me, bro. Eyeball test. Although if we do this, it should build. Oh. But surely I got it right. Surely I got it right. Surely I got it right. Blah blah blah. Checklist. Oh, blah blah blah. Okay, so this is checklist for me. I got that X. What the hell? Tommel. Nah. Cargo clippy tests. Oh yeah. Uh user-facing changes. I have a global changelog. All right, so this is not I don't know. User-facing changes. I believe it does. Uh-oh. Ah. Wait a second. Hold up. Wait a minute. Is it just fine? Would it just work? If I go like and then I go like you good? What is this? Oh, StrafeNet. So it doesn't like it. But does it work anyways? No. Okay, yabba dabba ding dong. This is annoying. No, I wanted to go to the repository. God damn it. Right, it's totally worthless to look at this code. I forgot. So, you can't. Raw window. You can't. You can't do this. This is not upstreamable. It cannot be done. Unlucky. Why is this? Yes, done. I looked at it. GitHub. Okay, so good thing they put that check mark test checklist there, cause hello, it didn't work. Okay, so I need this garbage. Because it can't be implemented in Goobert because of the Goobert. Okay. Hack to keep the code compiling. Service canvas is not available in IDE for whatever reason. Yay! What else is in this? Bunch of crap. Oh, JS value. Why is that in? Why are these impls in the prelude? Wait, what? What? Oh, it's right here. Okay. Boom. Okay. What that? Oh. Oh. Whoops. Huh. Damn. Animation frame. Buh. Alright, so there's stuff and things. And oh, why did that happen? Oh no, I did the right one. Right comment. And I cannot do this. I thought I was just gonna submit it, but it wouldn't have fixed the issue, and it doesn't work. Hey. Time. The time is now. I guess I'll put it there. This worked out very, very well. Minus on that code. It's very nice. I am pleased. I think that's pretty much as good as it could have gone to refactor that setup. I can probably do another round, another iteration on it. But I think that's good enough for now. I may try to like do the surface stuff. Cause like I don't know. The only way I can see is to like let JavaScript pick an adapter. Um, like chances are there's one adapter. I guess they might have CPU. I have no idea what they do on WebAssembly. There might literally just be one adapter. And I could omit the surface or have it optional. I mean, I should be able to do it. I should be able to have like a render context, the map graphics, the bot data, and then like go ooh, and you can like render the same bot to two surfaces for whatever reason, or like you could like offset and have it be stereoscopic. Well, you could do that. With one context and one bot. One context, one bot, but two surfaces. Because right now, everything is in a big ball, and in order to draw multiple canvases on the screen, you need to have multiple graphics instances duplicate so the entire WGPU stack is duplicated. The entire file needs to be duplicated, the bot file. Actually, I think that actually is already okay. You can have a deduplicated bot file. I did that much. Yeah. Um. Yeah. So I think that map map. I I should probably load the map in. Well, you know, I could. You know what? Actually, that's a better idea, isn't it? I don't see anyone come to grab me. I might just try and do that right now. Until I'm pulled away. I'm flying away. So, data is here. So this is graphics. So where's a map? Right. Graphics, new. Graphics, bot, player graphics. Okay, so this one implements this like this. Mm, mm, mm. Mm, 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 mm. Indeed. Indeed. So I think the play here is map. Separate it, because it makes sense. Because this is one operation. I I don't know. I don't know. G. So then yeah. So then you would just do it like that. Probably I just want to have functions here. Yeah, let's do that. So let's say let's just say these function names. Oh, jeez. Susie. And then nada. Map. Resize. And then now it makes sense. Cool. So it'll be exactly like this. Yeah. Map. Yeah. Oh. Sniff. Oh. Error. True. Yay! Okay. Error. It's infallible. Apparently making graphics is infallible. Um, oh. API. Um. Ah, ba 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 ba. Render pause angles. Oh, I see. So they don't really interact. Okay. So this is map. I'll do like that. What song is this? Not that big a deal. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Uh crate bot, yeah. 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 Should I just like make it proper? I'll just make it proper. I'll just say map self returns a reference to map. Like that. And then this is map. And then it's also const. Did I do that for the bot? Yeah, const. Let's go const. Okay, that's definitely not const. Okay, so that's my new API. API. So then, graphics is not real. You gotta. Oh, error is not real. Oh, okay. Data is not real. Oh, not real. Oh. Oh. Okay, none of this crap. Just render. And you got it, man. And then resize. Also needs the surface, apparently. Okay. Less cringe. Oh. Yay. And is what is up with here? So we do actually need to load the graphics. Bot, map. Yeah, man. So, literary bot, map. Bot, map. My graphics, change map. And then new, yeah, so now I need change map. And I need map. Bot map. Ma. Wait. Baba. Mama. Ma. Yay. Oh. Oh, I missed one. Hell. Okay, up here. Map. Ooh. One argumentative. Map. Oh. Dot map. Yay! Okay. So now this needs to change. So we do like this. Oh wait. Bot map map graphics change map oh semicolon yoink. Okay, now things make a bit more sense. Let's run and gun. Everything should just work the same way it was already working. Oh, Zoxine's here. Hello. I was doing one extra thing. It didn't work. Nor. What? 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 $18. What? Iterable. What? Huh? What? Oh my god. Wait, no. That's over here. It's literally exactly the same. How? What? 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 Why are these different? Oh, you're not allowed to have something called map, are you? Oh my god. That's probably it. It's a special word. Special. Okay. What do I call it then? Bot is so nice. 3-letter. Oh my god, bro. I'll call it complete map because it is a complete map. Oh, wait. Let's do the same here. Oh, that's nice. Okay. Separate map from graphics, I would say. Plus on the code side. Oh, I accidentally refactored the things to be better as well. Okay. Does that fix it? Gosh. That was confusing. JavaScript is having weird things going on. It was like, yeah, your module compiled. Everything's great. Oh. Oh, I didn't import it. Oh. I just needed to put it up here. Whoop. It would have said, huh, what's that? Surely. Okay, it's working again. Okay, okay. All done, all done, all done. Yeah, so now I can have... Actually, why don't I name the bot like that as well? Because it's a complete bot. And I'll have complete bot and streamable bot. Complete map and streamable map. Rename bot to complete bot. And this still works. Okay, shift. Yay, okay. Cool. Done it. I have done it. Okay. So now there's like a separate entity that represents a map. And then I can like change it later and implement file streaming. Ugh. Somehow, maybe. I wonder if you can just call HTTP from WASM. I don't know. Well, that is all. I am being called away. More tuning, API tuning tomorrow. I'll be trying to make it better and worse at the same time. I'll be trying to make it more more fine-grained control of the playback with insight into what's going on. But I still want to have a like just make it interface as well that does all of the steps for just one file. And it's easy to use. So like today, the player.js file has grown by a few lines. No, don't grow. No. So I want to like crush it and have it tiny. But then I'll also have all of the individual pieces. So you can have your multiple surfaces that are using the same map, same bot, same graphical context, same graphical instance, same different surface though. You need to have a different surface. So you could have the same bot render at different points within the playback to two different windows, surfaces, canvases. Or you could have two separate bots render completely independently, but using the same graphical context, which you'll always want. Unless, does WebGPU expose multiple graphics cards? I feel like it probably does. Because, like, people would want that. Anyways, more tomorrow. Goodbye.